Hello, awesome music people. This is BenJammin. Today we're working on the song Happy Birthday in the key of A. Now to play in A, you can play it two different ways. I'll show you this way right here, which is 1, 2, 3. This is not the standard way. The standard way is with your one finger right there. Having your one finger here on the G string makes it so that you can move easily between the A to the E, then the A to the D. Notice that this finger right there does not move into a different string for each of the chords. It's just on the same string, making life easier. So here's our A chord. Happy birthday to, and now to the E chord. And we're strumming down from the E string for the E chord. You, happy birthday to, back to the A chord, strumming down from the A string. To you, happy birthday, dear. And now to the D chord. Bottom 3 strings. 1, 2, 3. Dear awesome person, that's you. Happy A chord. Birthday. Back to the E chord. To you. Let's try it one more time. Starting from the A chord. Happy birthday to the E chord. You. Happy birthday to, back to the A chord. You, happy birthday, dear D chord. Awesome person. That's you. Happy A chord, birthday E chord. To you, back to the A chord. If you want to make an A7 and many more. Good job, and keep up the excellent work.